How to get old camera effect on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to get old camera effect on iPhone. There is currently no old camera effect built-in feature on iPhone, so for this video, we will be using third-party applications. And I have two options for you. The first one is what we call the Afterlight video. So if you don't have this application just yet, just head on to the App Store and look up Afterlight video. Make sure you download the one for video. It's this one right here because there's also another application called Afterlight, which is just for photos. So let's download this one, and once downloaded, just open it and you should automatically see all the videos and photos on your iPhone. So here are my most recent ones. If you want to filter this, you can just tap on video at the right top corner next to all. But I'm good with this. The video I want to edit is just maybe this one. So after that, after you selected the videos you want to edit, just tap on this arrow icon here. And then on this part, just select the ratio that you want for this video. I'm gonna keep the original ratio, so I'm just gonna tap on check. And here we go. Here are now the effects available. So basically, the one with no stars are the ones you can use for free. But if you use, let's say, this one, Super 8, you'll have to either start your free trial or you have to pay if you've used the free trial already. But there are different options, like for example, VHS. VHS is something you can use for free, and as you can see, this is a really good old camera effect as well. It's really up to you which one you like. I think this one works for me. And you can also add other effects like overlays. Maybe you want to add some dust. Again, the ones with stars are not for free. Basically, play around with it. There's also an option to tap edit, and you can flip it, trim it, and even adjust the speed. So once you're done, just simply tap on the arrow at the right top corner of the page. And from here, you can now save it, share it to Instagram or TikTok. But that's how easy it is to use the Afterlight video app. You can use the free trial for 7 days if you like. But other than this, another application you might want to try is Instagram. Instagram is a really good application for this because basically all the filters are for free. So you can just open your Instagram and then just tap on the your story. From this page, just scroll all the way to the left until you reach the magnifying glass icon on the filter section. Tap on that and then tap on the magnifying glass icon again. And then just simply search maybe film, or you can even pick old. So as you can see, we have an old film right here. You can save this and then use it for later. So let's try to use a video from here. Let's try this one. And then tap on the star icon or filter icon at the right top corner. And then just look for the filter you saved somewhere here. I'm not sure if it's this one, but as you can see, it looks like an old camera effect as well, which I think also works. So you just gotta play around with it as well. But those are basically your options on how to get old camera effect on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.